Intermittent fasting for muscle building. While there are many effective ways to build muscle, one of the best-kept secrets in the fitness world is intermittent fasting. Developed by Nobel Prize winner Dr. Otto Warburg in the 1950s. It wasn't until recently that intermittent fasting was popularized by bloggers like Martin Berkhan of Laying Gains and Brad Pilon of Eat Stop Eat. The combination of intermittent fasting and resistance training has been shown to be highly effective at building muscle and strength as well as helping with fat loss. Learn more about how you can use intermittent fasting to build muscle in this video. Intermittent fasting works. Research shows that intermittent fasting can help you gain muscle and lose fat, as well as boost your endurance. Intermittent fasting is a great way to help you build muscle while losing weight, but it's not a shortcut. By creating an environment in which you can easily stick to healthy habits, a diet like intermittent fasting will help you stick with your goals even when life gets busy. If you're having trouble building lean muscle mass, it might be able to get you on track. So how does intermittent fasting work? Intermittent fasting is based on a simple premise: you fast, allowing only water and tea in your system, 1 or 2 days per week. Some people choose to fast 3 days per week. This strategy helps you eat less and lose weight with minimal effort. Intermittent fasting also results in benefits beyond weight loss. It can improve your insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, help prevent cancer cells from spreading, boost brain health, and more. The science behind intermittent fasting: when you fast, your body switches from using glucose as its main source of energy to using stored fat. This process, called ketosis, is healthy when it happens 1 or 2 days a week. Research suggests that eating too many calories and not exercising enough may make it happen more often. The 2 types of intermittent fasting. There are 2 types of intermittent fasting. 16/8, which means eating in an 8-hour window and fasting for 16 hours. And 5/2, which means eating normally 5 days a week and reducing your calorie intake to 500-600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. Both methods have their benefits. The 16/8 method is easier to implement, especially if you're used to frequently snacking or grazing, as your daily fast lasts only a few hours. How to apply intermittent fasting in your workout routine. Try to eat your largest meal of your day during a period in which you're not working out. That way, when you do hit the gym and start smashing weights, you'll be well fueled, meaning you can work out harder and longer than if you were fasting or not eating enough. Plus, there's research to suggest that fasting helps maintain muscle mass. So it may be an especially smart option if bulking is one of your goals. Use intermittent fasting if you want maximum gains. If you want to put on muscle mass, eating every few hours is ideal. This may seem like a no-brainer, but if you're fasting, your body isn't constantly breaking down protein and building it back up. Intermittent fasting also reduces stress and cortisol levels in your body, which can increase growth hormone production. Final thoughts on intermittent fasting for muscle gain. If you're relatively young, not terribly out of shape, and are just looking to gain a few pounds of lean muscle, then intermittent fasting is definitely worth a shot. The same goes if you have a lot of fat to lose but need to maintain some level of calorie restriction to do so. However, I wouldn't recommend that it be used as a way to try to bulk up quickly on an already muscular frame.